The story of Dangote Cement is a remarkable journey of transformation and vision. Founded by Aliko Dangote, a visionary Nigerian businessman, the company has evolved from modest beginnings to become the largest cement producer in Africa. Dangote Cement, initially known as Obajana Cement, was incorporated in 1992 and started as a trading business importing bagged cement. In July 2010, the company was renamed Dangote Cement, marking the beginning of an era of aggressive expansion and consolidation in the African cement market. Aliko Dangote, the founder and chairman of the company, has been instrumental in driving the company's growth. His strategic vision to make Nigeria self-sufficient in cement production laid the groundwork for the company's rapid expansion. Dangote's approach was not merely about scaling production, but also building a brand synonymous to quality, innovation, and sustainability. His investment and leadership propelled the company to take charge of the Nigerian cement industry. The foundation was perfect, the mission was in progress, and the vision was to rise to the pinnacle of African cement industry. It was time for expansion. The company's expansion strategy has been robust and well-planned. Cement plants were established in several African countries, including Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, Cameroon, Tanzania, Zambia, Ethiopia, and South Africa. This expansion has been driven by the need to meet the rising demand for cement, a critical component in infrastructure development across the continent. In Nigeria, the Obajana Cement Plant in Kogi State is the largest of its kind in sub-Saharan Africa, with a production capacity of 10.25 million tons per year across 3 lines. Additionally, the Ibisi Cement Plant in Ogun State, which was commissioned in 2012, further increased the company's production capacity by 6 million tons annually. These plants are part of Dangote's strategy to dominate the Nigerian market and reduce reliance on imported cement. Dangote Cement's growth has been fueled by significant investment in state-of-the-art facilities and strategic partnerships. The company has invested heavily in modern technology and efficient production processes to ensure high-quality output. For instance, the Ibisi plant was installed by Chinese construction firm Sinoma, highlighting Dangote Cement's commitment to leveraging global expertise to enhance its operations. Furthermore, partnerships with various stakeholders, including local government and international investors, have been crucial. In 2014, the Investment Corporation of Dubai acquired a $300 million stake in Dangote Cement, underscoring the company's attractiveness to global investors and its strong financial health. With all these financial arsenals, the operations of the company has been nothing less than exceptional. This brings us to the next chapter. Dangote Cement's market leadership is evident in its impressive production capacity and extensive distribution network. With an annual production capacity of 52 million tons across 10 African countries, the company is well positioned to meet the growing demand for cement in the region. This capacity not only underscores Dangote Cement's dominance in the market, but also its role in supporting the infrastructure development of the continent. The financial health of Dangote Cement is robust, reflecting its market leadership and operational efficiency. In 2013, the company reported a revenue of 2.2 billion naira, up to 36.4 from the previous year, and a group earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization of 886 billion naira, a 25.1% increase. These figures highlight the company's ability to generate significant returns for its shareholders and reinvest in further expansion and technological advancements. Quality and sustainability are the core of Dangote's operations. The company adheres to the highest standard in cement production, ensuring that its products meet both local and international quality benchmarks. This commitment to quality has earned Dangote Cement a reputation as a reliable supplier of high-grade cement across Africa. Sustainability is another critical focus area. Dangote Cement has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental footprint and promote community development. The company's strategic approach to sustainability includes using alternative fuels, reducing carbon emissions, and engaging in community development projects to support local economies. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in its continuous investment in cutting-edge technology and processes. It has embraced digital transformation to enhance operational efficiency, improve product quality, and reduce costs. Innovations such as automated production lines, advanced quality control systems, and data analytics are integral to Dangote Cement's strategy to maintain its competitive edge in the market. Looking ahead, Dangote Cement has ambitious plans to expand its footprint further across Africa and beyond. The company aims to increase its production capacity to meet the anticipated growth in demand for cement, driven by rapid urbanization and infrastructure development in Africa. New plants and expansion projects in existing facilities are part of this growth strategy, ensuring that Dangote Cement remains at the forefront of the industry. The company's success is intertwined with its commitment to social responsibility. The company engages in numerous initiatives aimed at improving the livelihood of the communities where it operates. These initiatives include providing employment opportunities, supporting local businesses, and investing in education and healthcare projects. Their holistic approach to business ensures that its growth benefits not just its shareholders but also the broader community. With all these innovations and successes, the company had its share of challenges. Let's look at their resilience in the face of obstacles. Despite the success, Dangote Cement has faced several challenges, including market volatility, regulatory issues, and competition. However, the company's resilience and strategic adaptability have enabled it to navigate these challenges effectively. For instance, the temporal closure of the Obajana cement plant by the Kogi state government over ownership disputes and tax issues highlighted complexities of operating in multiple jurisdictions. Nonetheless, Dangote Cement's proactive engagement with stakeholders and legal resources ensured the resolution of such disputes. The cement industry in Africa is highly competitive, with several players vying for market share. Dangote Cement's ability to maintain its leadership position amidst this competition is evident to its operational excellence, strategic investment, and strong brand reputation. The company's focus on quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction continue to set it apart from its competitors. Dangote Cement's journey from a local trading business to Africa's leading cement producer is mind-blowing. As the company continues to expand and innovate, it remains a pivotal player in shaping the future of the construction industry in Africa. The future for Dangote Cement looks promising, with numerous opportunities for growth and expansion. Its strategic initiatives, technological advancement, and commitment to sustainability position it well to capitalize on the increasing growing demand for cement in Africa and beyond. This is the inspiring story of Dangote Cement. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. This has been Bernard, and you've been watching African Dream Motivation. Kindly subscribe for more.